Up next, we have the Paging and Intercom module. This module allows you to create what we call paging groups. Paging groups can be comprised of devices that support auto-answer or dedicated devices for paging and intercom. These dedicated devices can be SIP-based paging speakers, for example. To create our paging groups, we must go to PBX, Applications, and then Paging and Intercom. First, you need to create the code you will use to reach this paging group. This can be any digits and the star symbol. Next, add a description to identify this paging group. Afterward, include the extensions you wish to page. Again, if these are regular desktop devices, they need to support auto-answering with speaker mode. Otherwise, this will not work. If you want to be able to have a two-way conversation with the paged extensions, you need to enable duplex audio, so you can speak both ways. With this, you can save and apply changes. Now, you can dial the code you created and page the extensions assigned to the paging group. Additionally, you can add the following settings. Announcement is an announcement that will play on the selected extensions when you call this paging group. Timeout is the time in seconds after which the paging group will time out. Under Mode, you can establish the default mode, which is to speak from the device you called to the paging group, or Announcement, to play back the announcement set to this paging group. Then we have Ignore Forward Call. When this is enabled, if the extension in the paging group has a call forward enabled, this will be ignored, and the device will ring with auto answer anyway. Quiet Mode will disable the tone that plays when calling this paging group, announcing that the extension is being paged. Record Paging. This will record the call whenever the paging group is called. And Skip Busy will ignore the status of the extension if the extension is currently in a call and ring the device anyway. Finally, you can establish multicast RTP IP addresses through a specific port. If the devices you wish to page, like a dedicated paging device, use multicast RTP, you can establish its IP address and port to cast RTP packets. You can add as many IP addresses as you need by clicking the green Add button in the right-hand corner.